Hi everyone, welcome back to my SQL placement series. Guys, so far we have learnt how to filter the records using where and having clause. But many times filtering alone is not enough. What if I want the result sorted like salary from highest to lowest or names in alphabetical order? And to arrange these records in a proper order, SQL provides a clause called order by clause. In this video, we will understand what is order by clause, its syntax, and the order of execution. So guys, let's get started. First, let us understand what exactly is order by clause. Order by clause is used to arrange the records either in ascending order or in descending order. And when we apply order by, it does not change the table data. It only sorts the result set that is displayed. And guys, by default, order by clause sorts the records in ascending order. Now, let us understand the syntax of the order by clause. First, we write the select clause where we mention the column names or group functions. Next, we write the from clause to specify the table name. After that, we optionally use where clause to filter the records, group by clause to group the data, and having clause to filter the grouped data. Finally, at the end of the query, we write order by clause. In order by clause, we mention the column name and specify the sorting order. If we use ASC, the data is sorted in ascending order. And if we use DESC, the data is sorted in descending order. And guys, if we do not mention ASC or DESC, SQL will sort the data in ascending order by default. And guys, please remember this order by clause is always written at the end of the query. Now let's understand the order of execution. Guys, even though we write the SQL query in a certain order, SQL does not execute it in the same order. SQL follows its own internal execution sequence, and this is the execution sequence. First, SQL executes the from clause. Here, SQL identifies the table and loads the data. Next, SQL executes the where clause only if it's used. Where clause works row by row. It checks each row individually and removes the rows that do not satisfy the given condition. Once after filtering the rows, SQL executes the group by clause if it's used. Guys, group by clause is also row by row execution where it forms the groups. Next comes the having clause. Having clause works group by group, not row by row, and it filters grouped data after aggregation. After that, SQL executes the select clause. Select also works on grouped data only if group by clause is used. Here SQL chooses the columns and aggregate functions to display. Finally, SQL executes the order by clause. Order by works on final result set and sorts the records. That's why order by is always executed at the last step. So guys, please remember this. Filtering happens first, grouping happens next, selection happens after that, and sorting happens at the very end of the query. So guys, that's all about the order by clause. We understood its syntax and the complete order of execution in SQL. Remember, order by clause is always executed at the last step because sorting happens only after the final results set is ready. Now, to make sure you really understand this concept, I have provided some practice questions in the comment section. Type your answers in the comment section. I will go through them and respond. Also, save this video for your future revision, especially before interviews, because questions related to order of execution is very common nowadays. If this video helped you understand the concept clearly, please support the channel by liking this video, share it with your friends who are learning SQL, and subscribe for more step-by-step SQL lessons. In the next video, we will continue with the same topic, that is the example queries using order by clause. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning.